Hey guys, it's your girl Candy Boo back at you, and this time I'm gonna show you how I achieve this look. So without further ado, guys, check it out. Alright guys, I'm trying to revamp this situation. Yes, got my mask on. Face getting stiff. Anywho, I'm trying to revamp this because it's just out here looking crazy. This is the current state of it. Like, look at that. That's nasty. Can't be out here in these streets looking like this. And I think I ripped it the other day right here because I was a little aggressive. So I'm gonna try and take some of the glue off, wash it out, and then restyle it. All right, ready? Let's go. All right, first things first is I'm gonna take this hairline, put some rubbing alcohol. It's 70% is what I have. Rubbing alcohol on these edges. And I'm really gonna like douse it. All right, well, and rub it in. Cause I need to get as much glue off of this thing as possible. And the alcohol kind of helps get the glue off. I want to make a bob. Right, let's all right, so found where I'm gonna put it at. I gotta find the center and figure out how long or short I want it. I think I want like right here, shoulder length type of bob, and I'm gonna part it dead in the middle. I'm gonna part it in the middle. I'm gonna cut a piece on me. Then I'm gonna put it on the mannequin head, cut the rest of it, flat iron it, cut it again, and then style it. And you're gonna be cut. And I'm also gonna flat iron it. Who knows, I might keep the bob in the middle part. All right, so in order to figure it out, I parted it down the middle, or as middle as I can get. And I'm just gonna put the elastic, I'm brushing my hair out. Bella's in the background chilling. And then I'm just gonna put the elastic, not too tight, where I'm trying to cut my bob. Okay, so I think this is where I want to cut it. This seems like a pretty good cut length that I want. And then I'm gonna take the scissors and I'm just gonna cut right under it. Straight across. Well, ain't no turning back now, it's a wrap. All right, yeah. This is a good length. As you see, because I pulled it, the back is already longer, but don't worry about that part. We gonna clean that part up. Do the same thing with this. All right. So the front is a little bit longer, and one side's a little bit longer than the other. But that's why I just need to guesstimate. And then that's why I also don't know if I'm gonna be doing like a side swoop. Cause look at she. All right, I'm gonna garbage this, put this mannequin, and then do what I do. She bouncing, cut her, bumped her. I love it. I'm gonna just tie it down so I can get as flat as possible, but this is her. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Good better gotta let them come out. I love it. I probably wear it in the middle part, probably, but mostly side. Some baby hair. I like it. It feels so lightweight since I cut it and all that. I could still like a little catch up if you want to catch her up. But yeah, okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to put on a reach home. Want to put on? Call me to get home so I know you're safe. Bye.